हेलो एवरीवन, जिना एजुकेशन चैनल में आप सभी विद्यार्थियों का स्वागत है। तो चलिए आज हम वेस्ट बंगाल बोर्ड के 12वीं के इकोनॉमिक्स सब्जेक्ट को देखेंगे, जो कॉमन सब्जेक्ट है आर्ट्स एंड कॉमर्स स्ट्रीम के लिए। इस एग्जाम का फुल मार्क्स 100 है, रिटन एग्जाम 80 मार्क्स का होता है एंड 20 मार्क्स प्रोजेक्ट का होता है। नाउ वी डिस्कस अबाउट इंपॉर्टेंट सजेशंस फॉर इकोनॉमिक्स सब्जेक्ट्स। यहाँ पर आप लोगों को MCQ, वेरी शॉर्ट टाइप क्वेश्चंस एंड शॉर्ट टाइप क्वेश्चंस, ये सब कुछ इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स के लिंक्स में मिल जाएंगे। इस वीडियो में हम लॉन्ग टाइप इंपॉर्टेंट सजेशन को देखेंगे, जो इस प्रकार है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, एक्सप्लेन द लॉ ऑफ रिटर्न्स टू स्केल इन प्रोडक्शन और गिव एन अकाउंट ऑफ लॉ ऑफ वेरिएबल प्रोपोर्शन इन द शॉर्ट रन or explain with the illustration the internal economics of the scale that arise in the large scale production, or explain the concept of internal and external economics arising out of large scale production, or show the relationship among total product, average product and marginal product. Question number 2, show how the price of a commodity is determined through the interaction of aggregate demand and aggregate supply in a perfectly competitive market, or explain how a firm reaches long run equilibrium in a perfectly competitive market, or what are the main characteristics of a perfectly competitive market, or show how the short run supply curve of a perfectly competitive firm can be derived from its marginal cost curve, or discuss the long run equilibrium of a firm under perfect competition, or explain how long run equilibrium of a firm is reached in a perfectly competitive market. Question number 3, explain in brief the Ricardian theory of a rent with example, or explain how rent element can exist in the earning of any factor of production, or discuss how wages rate is determined by the marginal productivity of labor, or discuss briefly theory of rent, or why the individual supply curve of a labor is backward bending, or discuss the assumptions of marginal productivity theory of distribution, or how the rate of interest is determined by the liquidity preference. Question number 4, discuss the value adding national income of a country, or explain how the national income is obtained as a sum total of incomes of the factor of production, or discuss the difficulties of measurement of national income of a country. Question number 5, explain with the example the concept of circular flow of income, or describe the function of the central bank, or brief account of the different methods of credit controlled by the central bank, or discuss the function of commercial bank. Question number 6, explain with example the distinction between balance of trade and balance of payment, or when does the deficit occurs in a balance of payments, how can such deficit be removed, or show the difference between current account and capital account in the balance of payment, or discuss the different components on the credit side and on the debit side of the balance of payment of a country, or discuss the different components on the credit side and on the debit side of the balance of payment of a country. Question number 7, explain with the help of diagram the property of Lorentz curve, or find the standard deviation of the number of members of this family 10, 9, 10, 9, 9, 10, or write a notice on how income inequality in a country is measured with the help of Lorentz ratio. Question number 8, describe the causes of income inequalities in India, or briefly discuss the features of a different types of unemployment in India, or give an account of measures taken by government of India for the eradication of poverty in India. मुझे पूरा विश्वास और उम्मीद है कि आप सभी विद्यार्थियों को निराश नहीं होना पड़ेगा। ये सब क्वेश्चंस की तैयारी करें और आपको अच्छे अंकों की प्राप्ति होगी। एंड थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो, एंड माय नेक्स्ट वीडियो ऑन इंपॉर्टेंट सजेशंस ऑन अनदर सब्जेक्ट्स आर ऑन द वे। धन्यवाद।